Viva yung PS4. Tinatingin niya, sabi hard drive daw. Tapos 6K? Is the price worth it or too expensive?
Well, for me, that's too expensive. You can actually replace your own PlayStation internal storage by just simply buying the internal storage itself or the hard disk itself. Napaka-simple lang gawin nun. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a video presentation or a vlog on how to replace your PlayStation 4's internal hard drive para makatulong sa kanya. Sounds good?
Yes!
Alright, so, tama. Andito yung PlayStation natin dito. So, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade or how to replace. Or kung sira talaga yung internal hard drive nyo, this video will show you how to replace it step by step. Alright? So, before we turn on this or talagang buksan natin tong PlayStation, let me tell you first that nung napanalunan ko to sa raffle, ang storage capacity nito is 500 gig. So what we're going to do today is we're going to upgrade the internal storage into a 1 terabyte. Gulat ka. So again, mga ka-case, ang internal storage ng PlayStation 4 is just a simple laptop hard disk. So kung ano yung laman ng laptop hard disk nyo, eto din yun. So it's the same. Exactly the same. So kaya-kaya lang brand, pero ito Barracuda. So actually maganda to, 1 terabyte. So I'm gonna show you now how to open the PlayStation and then remove the internal storage and then replace it and then install another a fresh installation or a fresh drive for the purpose of your friend's concern. And I hope na makatulong naman tong video na to para sa kanya and to anyone else na nangangailangan ng ganitong tulong. Alright guys, huwag kayong matatakot. Pero I suggest na dapat adult lang gagawa nito para safe kayo and at the same time, make sure na naka-unplug yung PlayStation nyo bago nyo buksan to, okay? Guys, believe me or not, or believe it or not, isang screw lang ang tatanggalin natin. Yeah. Just one screw. Just one screw. Ang tatanggalin natin and matatanggal na natin yung internal storage. Okay? So, sa mga ganitong klaseng PlayStation, guys, napakasimple lang tanggalin ng yung pinaka-storage ito nasa taas lang. And pag naganyan, nandito sa taas. So, nandito nga sa loob. So, come on, let me show you how to do that. So, ang hawakan nyo lang, guys, para ma-open ito PlayStation. On this side, your gaming console, and then itong side na to, hawakan nyo lang siya pa ganyan, and then, i-push nyo lang itong side na itong kasi mayroon siyang parang ano dito tawag dyan, edge or kanal. So, hawakan nyo lang siya dito guys and be gentle lang and then push nyo lang siya papunta doon. Ano yun guys? Bumukas? Hindi nyo alam yan, no? So, ganun lang simple yun guys. Wala kang tatanggalin screw sa likod or sa harap. I-slide mo lang talaga siya. And then, matatanggal mo na ang front or ang upper panel or cover ng iyong PlayStation. So, kung mapapansin nyo, maraming screws pero you don't actually need to remove those screws. Just only one screw and this screw is the one I'm talking about. So, I believe ito yung maliit na screw lang ang gagamitin nyo. So, this screw is enough to open your internal PlayStation storage. So, buksan nyo lang siya. Guys, nakakatawa lang dito sa screw na to, napansin ko lang. Napakaganda. Kasi syempre, Sony may gawa eh. Nakakatawa lang kasi kung mapapansin nyo guys, or makaka-case, meron din siya nung parang trademark nilang triangles, circle, X, and square para sa PlayStation. Okay? So, after removing that one screw, guys, all you have to do is just to, hatakin nyo ito pababa. Ito lang guys, hawakan nyo lang ito, tapos hatakin nyo lang ito pababa. Sige na. Just put it down, and then, always be gentle guys when you're removing something. That's it. Ito na siya guys. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung replacement ko, ito rin siya, ibang brand lang. Alright? So guys, before we unscrew this hard disk, meron pala akong isang tech tip sa inyo. Kapag nagtatanggal kayo ng PlayStation or anything or computer or whatnot, kahit TV pa yan, tapos tinanggal nyo sa plug, tapos mag-dismantle kayo or magtatanggal kayo ng device, like say for example, magtatanggal kayo ng video card, memory, or something, make sure that pagkahugot nyo ng power or ng cable, i-press nyo yung power button maraming beses, kahit mga 3 times. Kasi, i-drain niya yung mga electricity na na-store sa capacitor. Natutunan ko yan sa asawa ko, ECE. Alright? Para maiwasan yung mga sumasabog na mga chip kapag nagtanggal kayo ng anything sa inyong mga motherboard. Pero in this case, syempre PlayStation to, we remove something inside this gaming console. Make sure na i-drain nyo yung mga power sa inyong capacitor. Alright, so let's go ahead and proceed removing this internal storage. So guys, pag i-remove nyo to, meron siyang 4 screws. Siguraduhin nyo lang na pag tinatanggal nyo yung screw, tandaan nyo kung ano yung position ng hard disk. Pag tinanggal nyo siya, isa-isa nyo na lang muna para hindi kayo... Huwag nyo hawakan yung board as much as possible. Gently remove the screws or unscrew the screws dun sa pinaka-protector ng hard disk. So 4 screws lang naman siya. Then ang gamit din ng screw na to guys, yung talagang standard lang na Phillips screw. And then, pag inikot na natin siya pa ganyan, ayan na siya. So for the first time, you will see na ang PlayStation 4 pala, ewan ko lang sa lahat, is gumagamit ng Western Digital 500 gig. So again, it's 500 gig. This is the replacement. Okay? So all we have to do now is to put or set aside your 500 gig hard drive. Make sure na magagamit pa natin yan guys. So i-upgrade lang natin siya sa isa 1 tera. So ang positioning niya kanina is facing down like this. Make sure na pag binalik nyo siya, huwag nyo kakalimutan kung ano yung position niya. Kasi masisira yung pag pinilit nyo ipasok. And then, screw nyo lang ulit yung 4 na screw. Pero kahit mga 15 years old, 18 years old, kaya nang gawin to. Napakasimple lang naman. Hindi ka naman magbabaklas or you're not going to remove anything that can cause any big damage sa internal layout or motherboard ng PlayStation mo. All you're doing is just removing and replacing the storage of your PlayStation. So, ayan. Okay, so, ayan. Nakabalik na siya sa kanyang retention plate or back plate or protective plate or what that. Kung ano pa yan, lahat sinabi ko na para dyan na. So, again, facing down like this. Put it back inside your PlayStation. Pa-slide. Nakapasok yung pinaka-plate. Hindi dito yan. Sa loob yan lahat. And then, slowly but surely, itulak nyo siya pa loob or i-push it. So, pumasok naman siya. And then, make sure na ibalik mo yung screw. So, yan. As I've said, ang screw lang tinanggal natin. And that's it. That's how simple it is. How to replace or how to upgrade your PlayStation's internal hard drive or storage. So, syempre, hindi naman porket napalitan na natin. Yun na yun. Hindi pa, guys. You still have to download something from the internet or from the PlayStation store or PlayStation website in order for you to use the hard drive that you just installed. So like I said in my previous vlogs, PlayStation is not using a Windows or an Android or an Apple software. It uses a different operating system. So that hard drive that we just installed, you actually need to format that hard drive using the PlayStation's own operating system. So let me put back this top cover for my PlayStation. Napakasimple lang naman. Ibalik mo lang siya like that and then close it. Make sure you hear the snap sound. That means that it perfectly or firmly closes the top panel of your PlayStation. So yeah, nag-snap naman siya. That's it. So the next step is for you to download the application or the software for your PlayStation. Siyempre guys, kapag nag-install kayo ng panibagong software, definitely you are going to get the latest firmware. So all you have to do is open your computer. My computer is here. You're going to be opening up my computer and then open a browser, go to Google. Just type here PlayStation 4 software update or software. Just select software update. And then here on top, the very first list that you're going to get, that will be the software or the system software for your PlayStation. So click that link and then it will redirect you to the PlayStation System Software Update. So guys, current PlayStation 4 system software says it's running on a 7.51. That's the latest one, okay? So if you scroll down below, guys, make sure that you are listening or pay attention to this, guys, because you're going to get 2 different links on this website. So please pay attention. As you can see, PS4 system software update. So you have to here download this file. Just to let you know, guys, this is not the right file for a newly installed or replaced storage or hard drive. So this is just a software update. Kasi before yung mga tao, they thought that this is the one that they need to download. Siyempre fresh tayo guys, fresh install to Fresh yung software, yung hardware na install natin. So what we need to download is the full software for your PlayStation. So do not download the one on top. Look for, or I suggest you scroll down below and then look for PS4 complete system software file. So that is the file that you need to download. So a computer connected to the internet, an external storage device, or you need an external USB device here. So by downloading this, as the requirement says, you also need a at least 8 gig of USB flash drive or thumbstick for you to be able to format or to set up your your storage that you just installed in the PlayStation. So on the downloading instructions below, it says here on the external drive, create a folder named PS4. Inside that folder, create another folder named Update. But we need to download the file first. Go ahead and click a new tab and download this. So it says PS4 Update. .pup. So it's still downloading. So guys, while we're waiting for this, let's go ahead and start formatting or setting up our thumbstick or flash drive. So my flash drive, this one. Okay, so this is the thumbstick that I'm gonna be using for the PS4 update.pup file. Enable for me to set up my new installed storage or 1 terabyte storage. So the capacity of this device or this thumbstick is 32 gig. I only need less than 4 gig actually, but I don't have any other choice kasi ito lang ang aking thumbstick. So let me go ahead and hook it up to my computer. Alright, it's hooked up. And then I'm just waiting for the file to be downloaded. I think it's already completed. I'll go ahead and follow the steps that we have on top. Alright, so as you can see, if you open up my computer or this PC on a Windows 10 computer, it's currently using a Windows 10. So guys, one tech tip, before you download or you copy and paste the file that you just downloaded in PlayStation 4's website, what you need to do on your thumbstick is to format your thumbstick. Make sure that you don't have any other file aside for the file that you just downloaded from PlayStation. And then make sure that the file system is using FAT32. Again, it's FAT32. So let me go ahead and format that device. Right click from this PC and then right click and then select properties. Right click and then format. So again, right click, look for format, and then you have here the capacity size, it's 32 gig, and then right now it's currently using NTFS, so I need to use FAT32. I will select the file system FAT32, and then I'll leave it as it is, and then I'll put here PS4, and then I'm gonna check on the pick format, click the checkbox, and then start formatting your thumbstick. And then once it's formatted, if we go back here, there is an instruction that says on your external drive, create a folder named PS4. And then inside that folder, create another folder named Update. So we need to create 2 folders inside this external drive. So first, go inside your thumbstick or external drive and then create a new folder. Right click and then click new and then select folder, and then it says there PS4. Alright, yeah, PS4. Okay, thanks. So that's PS4. And then after creating a PS4 folder, you have to go inside that folder and create another one and then name that folder Update. Make sure guys that you follow the instructions. It says there all caps. So make sure that your folder or the folder that you created are all in capital letters. No lower cases, all capital letters. Alright? So again, if I click my external drive, it says PS4, and then once you open that, it will go to another folder that says Update. And from here, this is where you're going to copy and paste the one that you downloaded from PlayStation.com. So this is the file, the extension or the file name says PS4 update.pup. So I click show in folder and then I copy this and then I'll go back to my external drive here, PS4, and then PS4 folder and then update and then right click and then paste the file that I downloaded from PlayStation.com. And then after we have copied the file, I'll show you the capacity or the size of the file that we have downloaded. Alright, so it's already 98%, almost 99, and then that's it. Okay, so before we remove the flash or the thumbstick into my computer, I'll just double check if the file that I downloaded was stored or really stored in the update folder. Alright, so there you go. So the file, guys, for everyone's attention or for everyone's information, the file for your PlayStation software is at least 1 gig file. So we just simply follow the instructions from the PlayStation store, PlayStation.com. We've created PS4 folder and then update folder and then the file that we downloaded. Let's go back to the complete system software file instructions. So there is something written here that says if you get the error SU413530 cannot find the update file, it means that the PUP file was renamed by your computer due to multiple downloads of the same file. Solution: check the download location on your PC or Mac. Delete any previous versions. Make sure the current file is named PS4.pup. Alright? Okay, so I think I'm confident that we've downloaded and we've created the right folder name and whatever is necessary for this file to be completed. So let me go ahead and safely remove my thumbstick. Make sure that you always safely remove your thumbstick, guys. That will give you, or that will, bigay ng mahabang buhay sa mga flash drive niyo. So I'll go ahead, remove my thumbstick, and then I'm gonna be hooking this up into my PlayStation. Alright, so guys, before we start installing the software for your PlayStation, please make sure that you read the notices below under the PlayStation.com system updates. So please read through those notices and making sure that you followed and you fully understand what are the things that was written under notices. So do not install system software soon, before or soon after a power outage, and do not turn off your system during the system installation. Interrupting the system installation can cause your system to be damaged. You might not be able to use some applications or content without first updating the system software. So basahin nyo lang, guys. Make sure that you are fully aware of that. And then I'll go ahead now and proceed with my installation. Okay, so now we are ready to install the software for your PlayStation 4. Again, guys, the purpose of this is for those PlayStation na nasira na yung mga storage or gusto nyo lang mag-upgrade. Guys, kasi kapag nag-upgrade kayo ng storage, pwede kayo mag-backup syempre. Yung backup, madali lang naman yung backup, guys. I think everyone knows how to do that. But pwede na mag-create ng another vlog for that on how to back up your files in your PlayStation 4. Pero for this video, we are focused on replacing the internal storage. So again, dahil nasira yung storage, or second is gusto mo lang mag-upgrade, that's how to replace the internal storage. Now that we are installing the software, the things that you might need to use, or I think it's necessary for you to use, is the cable itself, the USB cable for your PlayStation that comes with your PlayStation controller and your controller itself. Kasi kailangan mo i-navigate yung bagong installed na internal storage. So kailangan mo pa siyang i-install actually. So first, what you need to do once you've installed your upgraded internal storage or yung bago mong storage or hard disk, first hook it up to the power, tapos kapit mo yung HDMI, and then power up your PlayStation. So pag pinower up yung PlayStation mo, at first hindi ko pa kinakabit yung USB yung dinownload na, yung ginawa natin So magpa-power up naman siya, it will give you the PlayStation logo. Alright, so that's the first that is the first thing that will appear once you powered on your PlayStation. So it will says there, cannot start the PS4, connect the dual 4 using the USB cable, and then press the PS button. So ito nga yung sinabi ko kanina, you need this, and you need your PlayStation 4 controller. So next step is to hook up your PlayStation 4 controller or the USB. Ganun lang siya kasimple. And then, kabit ko to dito sa aking PlayStation. Magiging parang naka-LAN siya. Kasi hindi pa nakaka-configure yung wireless settings niya. So, once it's connected, it says there, press the PS button. And I'll press the PS button. And then now, it's giving me an option to connect a USB storage device that contains an update file for reinstallation for version 7.50 or late. You can download the update file for reinstallation from PlayStation.com. So we've already done that. Currently, we are on a safe mode. So you have an option to cancel or to proceed. So now that I have my thumbstick, the one that I just downloaded, that I created earlier, I'm gonna hook it up to my PlayStation now on the other port. So we have two ports. And then I press or I select the OK button to proceed. And I press the X button. So it says please wait. Let's see what will happen. Alright, so that takes around 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So now it says the PS4 will be initialized. All users and all the data will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? I am sure I want to continue. So I highlight the yes button and then I press the X. So now it says initializing, do not turn off the PS4. Alright, so now it's saying installing update, do not turn off the PS4 during installation. When the installation is complete, the PS4 will restart automatically. So I think it needs more time. Now we are getting Sony Interactive. Oh, alright. It looks like it's saying something. So I think it's telling me to press the PS button. So let me press the PS button and then alright, so I think it's a fresh installation. So I'm gonna be selecting which language do you want to use. So I'm gonna be using United States English. Press enter. Alright, so we have here the user agreement. I think we are about to complete the installation. So I press on accept. Alright, so now we set up your PS4 is complete. Enjoy an exciting world of entertainment. I'll press the start now. Alright, so that's a fresh installation that doesn't have any user yet. There you have it. So to ensure that we have successfully installed the storage, we need to check the capacity by going to the setting and then look for, scroll down, storage. So as you can see guys, from 500 gig, it is now running on a 1 terabyte. So it's showing 861 gigabyte. It is now running on a 1 terabyte hard drive. So that's how simple it is, how simple to replace and install the software for your PlayStation. I hope you guys find this video interesting, and if you'd like to try this upgrade that we just did, just follow the instructions. If you have anything in mind that you'd like to discuss, or if you have any questions about your gaming consoles, feel free to leave a comment on the comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate all of you. And I think that will be all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share my video in other media outlets. And thank you so much in advance. That will be all. Have a great night. Bye mga kids.